Hey everyone, Angela here. Welcome back to all of my awesome plant friends. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, please make sure you comment below, introduce yourself, because the whole reason I do these videos is so that I can connect with you guys, so we can learn from each other and just have a great time. I don't have anyone in my house who enjoys plants as much as I do, so I really need you guys in my life. Today I wanted to share with you guys my beautiful miniature Hoya collection. This is thanks to my sweet friend Kelly, who sent me these cuttings because I hadn't had a single Hoya yet, and she was like, girl, let me help you out. So I want to show you guys what I have. I mean, you can already see. But I just love them so much. I want to give them some shine time and hopefully get some tips from you guys and find out what my next Hoya should be. What should I add to my collection? Because now I feel like if I have 3, I definitely need more. And especially if I start with small plants, then I can sneak them in the house quietly. And then I can have more. So this is my first one, right? This is the compacta or the Hindu rope. And I just absolutely love it. It's doing so well. These are just 2 enormous cuttings. I have it facing in or sitting in an eastern window, and it's doing just so well. It's so happy. I'm not quite sure what to do with this, so I need to do some research. You guys know I don't have very much time in my life to like research, so if you know if I should cut this off or if more leaves are gonna form from this, you know, this little extra stem here, let me know in the comments, because I've got 2 crazy kids who are quiet right now. And I could be spending time looking this up, but tell me, make it easy for me, okay? Help a sister out. Anyways, this guy is just doing so great, and I love how like twisty the leaves are, and they're just so thick. So I can't believe I never had a Hoya. I can't believe I've never had a Hoya before. This is literally the first one that I got. So it's amazing. And do you guys have these? Are they big? I mean, I wish you guys could like drop pictures below. If you have Instagram accounts, let me know. Look me up. I'm Angela_growing roots. And then like find me and tell me. And then if you have pictures of your Hoyas, let me know, right? So this is how we network, right? The second one here, you guys, you know I'm terrible with names. I knew it was something splash. It's like Public Alex. Splash. I don't know if I've ever heard anyone pronounce it before. So I'm definitely gonna have to work on that. But I have it propagating. It was a cutting. I have it propagating in water, and you're probably not gonna be able to see. Right there, there's one tiny root. It's like really bad lighting in here. I mean, it's great lighting, but bad for looking at white roots. But it's just so beautiful. And my sweet friend was like, oh, I'll send you more so you can have a fuller plant. And I told her, I don't think I want one. I mean, eventually I do, right? But I think there's such beauty in small little plants, right? Because you can sneak them in little corners, not corners, but you know, they can be like companion plants to like the main show, you know, and I think it just adds extra dimension to the house. Because I use my plants, I mean, you guys have seen my house tours, right? My plants are decoration. They're meant to specifically add or enhance the room, right? And that's how I get away with this. If I could, I would be like the rest of you all who just have like floor to ceiling like plants and grow lights and, you know, like the most amazing indoor jungles. But number one, that's not practical for me. My kids are always throwing things, even if I tell them to stop and take the rough housing outside, it still doesn't happen. My dogs are maniacs. The only reason that it is quiet right now is because the 2 girls are sunbathing outside here, the old girls, and then Steve is gone. My chocolate lab, Dan took him hunting, so he's gone. So that's the only reason that my house is quiet. But like Steve is constantly knocking over plants and running into things, and he's just insane. And so I just practically, I can't have many plants on the floor. It just doesn't work that way. So aesthetically, my plants are meant to be for decor, and it works for me. but I'm really jealous of everyone else who can just have the total jungles in their house. Anyways, you guys, I mean, that's a side note. So you're here for the Hoyas, right? This is my Crimson Queen. Look at these beautiful pink leaves in there. If you can see, this one is really pink. Love it. I just love it. And so my friend Jaclynn, Jaclynn's Jungle, you need to check her out, Jungles. She said it's, because I didn't know the name of it when I first got it, and she said the variegation on the outside is because she wears her variegation like a crown. And I was like, oh, Jaclynn, that's so cute. So I just love you guys because you guys bring such a different, my plant friends, I mean, you guys bring just the best dimension to the plant world. You know, like I'm over here just doing my thing all by myself, and then you guys are so incredible and you give me knowledge and, you know, fun little anecdotes about the plants to help me remember the names because I'm terrible. So when we get around to this name, something splash, right? Let me know. Also, shout out to all you hams lovers. I keep it stocked in the fridge for my father. You know, old man from Minnesota. He's got to have his hams. It's like yeasty water. But every once in a while, there's nothing better than a nice, cold, refreshing Hamm's beer from the land of fresh blue waters, right? If you know what I'm talking about, you're with me. Otherwise, you think I'm crazy, and that's cool. So anyways, these are my 3 little minis, and I absolutely love them, and I'm so excited. I haven't found like the perfect places for them yet. They're kind of all sitting by a window just so I could admire them. But eventually I'll find little companion plants for them to all go with. So I don't know, like, what do you guys think my next Hoya should be, right? Because I need to buy more. And since I can't like go places these days, online shopping has everything available. So, you know, like, I don't know, let me know. What should my next Hoya be? I think that's gonna be my next plant purchase. Anyways, thank you guys so much. If you made it through this entire video, you are incredible for listening to my rambling and also a really good plant friend. So make sure you give me a like, you know, the thumbs up. And then if you're new, please make sure you comment below, introduce yourself, be a part of my plant friend group, because I really just want to be friends with everybody, okay? So I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.